How to transfer a video to a wallpaper on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer a video to a wallpaper on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are here, choose the video you want to transfer to a wallpaper. For example, let's choose any video, this one. All you need to do is click on the share icon beside the comments and scroll over this list until you find the wallpaper. Click on it, and here you go to this app, and you can transfer this video to a wallpaper, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.